all our citizens, I extend our best wishes to Never forget your acts of courage and heroism.
What a blowhard. That meaty mouth gutless wonder should have done something to get rid of those freeloaders a long time ago. Why build an expensive machine to get rid of them when a couple of well-aimed missiles can do the trick? Basher here.
Commander, we think Eggman is up to something.
What's he doing?
He's working on something suspicious. What should we do?
Don't let Eggman out of your sight. Watch him like a hawk. I want to know his every move. And report to me directly. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Eggman's obviously planning to make one last sneak attack before he takes a hike. He thinks he can catch us with our guard down. We had a chance to get rid of Eggman once, but the president